What's up? It's Bob, Mr. the Creator, and today I've got a project for you. Today I will show you how to make a DIY stylus. If you do not know what a stylus is basically a pen for any touchscreen device. Come on, let's start. Yeah guys, now to make a stylus, you'll need a broken pen or a pen which you don't want to use anymore, some cotton, a scissor, a copper wire, and a little bit of water. Okay, let's start. Yeah guys, first step, take your pen, open it up, remove all the inner parts. Alright, remove all the inner parts. Now, take your wire and take your scissor, okay? You want to remove the plastic coating over your wire, from the wire, sorry. Okay? I'll skip this part, okay? And when I'll finish it, I'll be back. Yeah guys, now when you remove the plastic from the wire, okay, you may notice that there are little strings, okay? What you want to do, if you have that kind of wire, you want to twist all those strings into a much thicker wire, okay? But I'm using a type that doesn't have those little strings, okay? It's thick. Alright? So, screw your lid back on of your cap, your pen, sorry. Take your wire, put it inside this tip, and bend your wire like this, okay? So it will look a bit like this. Now you want to bend this wire more so it is touching this pen, and you bend this wire into this big hole. Like this, see? Now you want to screw this back on. If you can't screw it fully, don't mind, okay? I also can't. Just screw it as much as you can, okay? Now it will look a bit like this. Now take your cotton, okay? And remove like about this much cotton. Alright? Now take your water and dip your cotton a little bit into the water, not fully, only a little bit, okay? Remove it. Yes, you can squeeze the water out if you want, okay? We just want it to be a little bit damp. Now what you want to do is both ends should be thin and the middle should be thick, okay? So you twist both the ends. Alright, if you want to remove the water more, you can. I just dipped it a lot into the water, okay? Just a tiny touch of the cotton to the water, okay? So it will look a bit like this. Middle is thick, both ends are thin, alright? Or at least thinner than the middle. Now what you want to do is take your pen, which you have modified, and put one end of the cotton into the nib, okay? You may see how to put it fully, but just put inside and then twist, okay? Put it inside and then twist. Put inside and twist. Push it and then twist. It's a bit hard, okay, but I've done it. Alright, I'll skip this part as well. Once you fitted the cotton inside the pen, you take your scissors and cut off most of the cotton that you just fitted. Alright, put the excess part away and it will look a bit like this. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to fluff up that cotton. Alright, fluff up that cotton. Alright, and basically your stylus is done. Alright, now if you are having trouble using the stylus, okay, make sure that your finger is on this wire, okay. If the finger is not on this wire, somehow the stylus doesn't work, okay. So make sure that your finger is on this wire, okay. Now the other reason that I've faced trouble using my stylus, okay, that this cotton tip becomes dry, okay. So you just want to take a little bit more water, okay, and you want to make this tip damp again. All right, so this should work. All right, happy drawing.